the secret recipe for a viral drink. It's simple to make, but only when prepared the right way does it taste this good. Matcha is powdered green tea packed with antioxidants. Unlike coffee, it gives you lasting energy without a sudden crash. That's why it's worth adding to your daily routine. To prepare it, you'll need a bamboo whisk. Before using, soak it in hot water for a moment so the bristles soften. If you don't have one, a small milk frother will work too. Meanwhile, get a tall glass ready, add your favorite fruits and a drizzle of honey. Mash them well so they release their juice and create a fruity base. Add a few ice cubes. Now it's time for the matcha. Place a sifter over a bowl and add a portion of matcha powder. Sift to remove any clumps. Then pour in about 2 ounces of warm water. Make sure it's not boiling. Whisk vigorously with the bamboo whisk in quick zigzag motions for about 2 minutes. Pour milk, plant-based works best, into the glass with the fruit, then top it with the frothy matcha. And that's it. Refreshing, lightly sweet, and fruity. You can enjoy this strawberry matcha every day. It's a great coffee alternative, improves focus, and gives you natural energy.